Hello everyone. So now we're working on question 3 on the page 108 of the Graphic Solutions book. So this is the question sheet. There's no solutions for this on the ebook, so we'll walk through this one nice and easy. So it's question 3. Put that up here now. So what this is actually an image of a sliding set square, or an adjustable set square here. So the figure below shows the drawing of an adjustable set square. The 3D graphic is also shown, so it's the 3D graphic, even though it doesn't look like 3D, there's no depth. Rotate ABCD above point O, so there's point O there. Until point C reaches the line L1. So there's the line L1. Point C has to touch that. On this drawing now I didn't create an L1 line yet, so I'll do it now. Let's do it with red pen here, L1. So what we need to do next is locate point C. So how we do that is we use O as the centre here, go to point C, mark it. So that means then we have point C1 there. C1. We can go then and we can do the other points. So B can be done too. What we do here is we just go to B and swing an arc, because it's going to be somewhere on that line. The distance then, we take the distance from C, point C here, to B, then we place our compass on point C1 and mark it, mark that other curve. So that means then we have the point here, B1. Point B1. So next of all then, we started with C, we went to B, we can do A next. So we shorten in the compass. A, swing an arc there. It can be a lighter arc than that, I'm just doing it heavier just for demonstration purposes. Then what we can do is go from B1, from B to A here, and then go to B1, the point of the compass, strike an arc, and then down here we have A1. That's point A1 with a short arc there. Compared to the other ones, it's a short arc. So next then we can do point D. Swinging anti-clockwise again. Then we need to find out the length of the line A to D. We can just get the compass, put it there. Then A1, strike an arc. Now it's clear to the other ones now. D1. What we can do then is join them together. So, and we just use a heavier pencil for this. Or actually, I might use a colored pencil because make it a bit clearer. So what we can do is go from A1 to D1 first. Actually, that's slightly higher than D1 there. I'm just looking now. It's very hard to say exactly where that is. It shouldn't be in line as mine was there with D1. It should be slightly above it because there's a curved line here. So yeah, the only way really to solve that problem there is to have a very, very sharp pencil. This one of mine isn't really very sharp. So it's with these lines being so close in radius, it's very hard to see exactly where the point is. So just work with that and see how it goes. So A to D1. A to D. So then D1 to C1. Sorry, I went too far there. A1 to C1 or D1 to C1. What we can do then is C1 to B1. C1 to B1. And then B to A. So that's the same as B1 to A1. And that's it. As you can see now what I was saying, this angle here, this angle here are slightly, this is slightly flatter, there's more of an angle than this. That's got to do with where you determine that point, where that point is. So if you use a very sharp pencil, you will get that point more exact, and that will affect the angle of this line here. But that's rotation. Thanks.